brake mo ba is kumakagat pero hindi masyado? You are very certain na bleeding mo siya ng tama, hindi pa rin kumakagat, and you are trying to scratch the brake pad na akala mo na mayroong contamination ng dumi, grasa, and still kumakagat pero hindi pa rin masyado. So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano siya aayusin ng tama, and it is very simple to fix. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Simply Two-Wheeler. Baka na overlook mo ang dalawang ito. It is named caliper boots, and these caliper boots are parts of the braking system. And itong dalawang caliper boots, it is a rubber boots, and it is considered a spring that is bouncing back, but this one is made of rubber, so this is called a rubber spring. Para gumagana ito is dapat yung dalawang ito is merong saktong hangin na nakalagay. So itong caliper boots is mayroon siyang pangalan. This one is the insulating boots, para pag umaano siya, pag gumagalaw yung brake pad mo, hindi siya tunog metal. Is the dust boots. So again, this two, it is also called a spring. So para mag-bounce back, it should have saktong hangin na nakalagay dito. So in my case, hindi na siya masyadong nagmo-move dahil this part, it should be moving freely. But this one is hindi masyado dahil tumitigas na dahil sa siguro sa ulan, sa alikabok na nakalagay or pumapasok dito. So tanggalin natin. So this is the reason kung bakit kumakagat pero hindi masyado. So this, base ito sa experience ko. I've been riding motorcycle for more than 15 years na, and ito yung rason kung bakit hindi masyadong kumakagat yung preno natin. Hindi dahil may bubbles dito, hindi dahil may dumi or contaminated with grease ang brake pad dahil dito. So ito ang gawin natin. So explain ko muna sa inyo. So this one, check nyo muna kung yung caliper boots nyo is walang butas, dahil pag butas, palitan nyo na. This one, it should have. So tingnan nyo, nagmo-move siya. Tingnan nyo, kung makikita sa camera, nagmo-move siya dahil this is considered again spring, but it comes in rubber form. Para magkaroon ng 100% braking power is dapat itong dalawa is merong saktong hangin. So hindi dapat ganyan after ma-install yung ibang parts ng brake. Hindi dapat ganyan. It should be like this one, that one, para magkaroon siya ng enough saktong hangin pag pinipress mo yung brake lever, and it will bounce back after releasing the brake lever. So hindi ko lang ito masyadong linisan dito, dahil ang video nito is ipakita ko sa inyo kung how to have a quick solution kung bakit hindi kumakagat yung brake nyo. So reminder ko lang is it should not huwag nyong lagyan ng langis dito, dahil yung langis is dumidikit. So linisan mo lang ng maayos itong parts na to para there should be enough bouncing effect dito sa part na ito. So this one kinakalawang na and it is rough, so dapat nating lihain. This one it's still okay. This part is para dito sa dust boots and it is still free from rust, but this one for the insulating boots meron na siyang kalawang and it is rough. So itong part na to is lihain natin. So hindi ko na ipakita kung paano lihain, dahil para hindi masyadong mataas ang video na ito. So naliha ko na, so ibalik na natin. So sa pagbalik, this tip, this one and this one, it should be fit into this slot or canal, and make it sure na while replacing it should have air. Okay, so as you can see it is bloated. It means as you can see it is bloated. It means sobra sa hangin. So ang gawin mo lang is press lang this one, this rubber, and hanggang masakto yung hangin. You should be careful na hindi masugatan yung rubber. So pag finger lang kasi hindi siya masyadong ma-release yung hangin. But this one, pag ginamitan mo siya ng kutsilyo is ma-release yung hangin niya. So let's see. So kulang naman sa ano. So pag kulang sa hangin, the same process, but this one you have to pull this one a little bit para hihigop siya ng hangin, like this one. Oh, too much air, a little bit more. Okay, sakto na to. And this one, So okay na to. So hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo kung paano ko siya ibalik. So hanggang dito lang. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo kung paano ayusin para 100% yung braking power ng motorsiklo natin. So once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo palaging update ng mga bagong videos ko. And bye bye.